And you know it's good for cancer cell too. And burying it under the ground for 9 days. Dig it up back when you can't open it, man. If you open it, you...
Hey guys, well, I see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my series on interesting Jamaican fruits. Today we feature the mountain sop. Not Soursop, mountain sop. And no one is more qualified than my virgin Clive, rastaman, rootsman, to share all this experience and information on this fruit. First though, a big shout out to all of you, those persons who have been asking for me to do different type of fruits. Shout out to you, and for those who have been asking about mountain sop in particular, shout out, special shout out to you. If you though, if you are brand new here, meaning you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to join us and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos talking about the real Jamaica. This though is a series on fruits, when I do a wide range of videos on Jamaica. I call it the real Jamaica. I don't want to miss out. So join us, man. If you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go. So guys, this is Mr. Clive. Gonna show us, gonna learn about the mountain sop. Another intriguing, interesting fruit here in Jamaica. And I'm at the back of his house and we're gonna trot along. Cool area here, Mr. Clive.
Don't fall though. Take it down.
Yeah man, we have a, this looks like it's a mountain sop on the ground here, so we're close, man. Yeah, alright guys, that's one there. So we are close. It appears. What is this, Mister? Before we, what is this? This looks like.
This is a fruit.
Is this a psyllium?
Yes.
Ah.
Yes. We can use them make juice. We call it
This
cherry.
this is the psyllium. I actually did a feature on that, guys. You remember this one? Some of you should remember this one. This maca tree we talk about with Mr. Ferguson, the Rastaman. But there's nothing on here right now.
No. It doesn't come yet.
Okay.
Month's time it start bearing.
All right, but if you're interested,
One
yeah, man, this is. I didn't know we have a lot of them in Jamaica here, but now it is your tree now is suggesting to me that other people, it's not just Mr. Ferguson and a few other people have it.
Yeah.
There might be other people who have it, man. All right, guys. So this is the psyllium again. If you didn't watch that video, check a link. There's a link in the description. Check it out to learn more about the amazing health benefit. There's another one here.
Yes, and that one is a Jew plum.
And this is a June plum. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Getting a little windy. We're going up a little hill, guys.
This one is the and it makes mountain sop.
A mountain sop.
Mountain sop too,
Okay.
but it falls.
All right.
So
Good.
that's why you see lean like this.
All right. So this mountain sop is on the ground here. But the one who want to feature is this one.
This one is the big one that has the fruit on it.
This one.
If you look carefully, there's a fruit right there.
Ah, there's a fruit. All right, that's it. Okay, the mountain sop. All right, so hold on a second. Is this one tree, Mister?
Yes, this
like,
one tree
you sure?
in
It
the
look like,
wood. Look, if you
like
look.
two to me.
No. If you look where it's coming from. This is the root.
Okay.
You see?
Okay,
This is
cool.
the root there.
Okay, cool.
So it comes from way around the back there with just one, but it put on different
Several
kind
limb.
of limb.
All right.
You see, this one is the younger one that it come from.
This is it. All right, let's start with this one. So this is the baby one. This is like the flower.
Right.
right.
That's
So
where it comes and open. You get the fruit come from inside like this.
All
You
right.
see?
So
Yeah.
how long typically?
It take to come?
Yeah.
Well, basically about like 6-7 months. You
From
get to-
from this.
Yes.
To fruit?
To fruit.
Okay.
To get, so you can work with it.
Yeah.
To make your juice and stuff
7
like
months?
that. Yes.
Okay, and is there a season?
For it, at this time.
Which is those who might be watching the replay. tell me.
Like say you could get it from August coming down to now.
August to September.
Yeah.
October-ish.
Yeah. But you see like how the rain is falling now, they fell off. You see some,
Okay, the
some on the ground there.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
water.
Yeah, we saw one earlier.
Look like this.
Oh, okay. So that's one that fall and spoil.
Yeah, and they chew the water now.
Oh,
the kind of
understand,
rainy. See
Understand.
a tree over there to where it's spoiled.
Okay, that one spoil.
Yeah. And if I don't visit it regularly, you know, it's like that. But you see the one there, and then up at the top,
You have more.
about 2 more.
All right. So
there.
tell us about the tree, Fire.
The tree.
The tree, alright, typically how somebody watching right now and don't want to get an idea of the tree, how tall.
Yeah, you go real tall, man.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And sometimes they get real big like so. Big fruit.
Yeah, means like 3 pounds.
About 4 pounds, 5 pounds. One of them get round and big. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna take a look at one of the fruit, guys. Let's sit, man.
No, hold on, no climbing, I'm with you.
Okay. Alright, guys. Fireman a jump, but him not reach it, so guess what? Him gonna climb it and push it down. And then me try and hold on to it. Okay, I think we have it, man.
Hold on, man. Hold on. Let's see. Take your time.
Don't shake. Oh, you shake off one fire, man. Take your time. Don't shake it too much, man. We don't want to shake off. Alright. Yeah, man, we hold it, man. So this is the mountain sop, the mystery fruit, another mystery fruit here, guys, in Jamaica. Mountain sop. I think, well, go ahead and pick it, Mr. Clive, and then we talk a little bit more about it. Alright, good. Alright, good. So
pick it.
Yes, man, go ahead and pick it, man. Alright. So tell us now, so this one is about
about like
half a pound.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
And this, guys, can you judge it based on the size of my hand?
And it's coming full too. You see where it start to burst. Yeah.
When it start to burst, I mean it's ready.
Yeah. You see.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is, you'd say, a relatively small one. This.
Yes,
relatively.
Right. Compared to what come on it already.
Okay. All right. So, and this looks, all right. For those of you who know Soursop.
Yeah, it's like almost a family, but it's have a different juice from the Soursop.
Yes, the outside look a little
faintly like it.
Yeah, the prickle stuff.
Yeah, that's the way maca come from.
Yes, yeah. So it's like the Soursop, but the family of Soursop, but it's basic, total, but it's different in a lot of ways.
Yeah, right. And it give you a different juice from a Soursop.
The texture, the skin, and so on feels just like the Soursop for the most part, though, right? Right? And looks the same, and as I mentioned, this spiky stuff there, just like the Soursop. But the difference between this and the Soursop mainly is that it's round.
Yes, Soursop come along sometime.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't
different
basically round.
But this one is mainly round.
Yes.
All right. So before we talk about how you use it, we want to talk about what the other difference is there between this and the Soursop, as far as you know.
The juice from the Soursop have a whitish look, and this one from the mountain sop have a kind of little browner look. You know, so you have it differently.
Yes. Okay.
When you juice it, you get a different juice from what you get from a Soursop.
Okay.
A Soursop give you a thick juice, but this one give you thick same way, but it have a different taste.
Okay. How does it taste?
It have a like let me see now, almost like a guava taste.
Okay,
like,
okay.
That's how you do.
They're totally different.
Yes.
So those are you say would be the main differences between a Soursop. What about you? I'm asking the questions, guys, for you, because I know about it a little bit. It's an unusual fruit. I ran into it via my brother a couple years ago. But for many of you, this is the very first time you're seeing. So that's why I'm asking him the question to help you. The texture, the texture. It is a little bit more slimy. Yes.
More thicker
yeah.
More than a Soursop.
Yes, it's very thick. And you can use less to get more from it.
Yes.
That's the difference between
it.
So for those who might be asking, what's the difference between the mountain sop and the Soursop? Those are the main differences.
Yeah.
All right. How do you use it, Fire?
Well, when I use it, I use like, the guava.
Guava, yeah, regular guava.
Yes, I get the guava juice. And then I add it to the mountain sop.
Oh, so you take out it, but there's seeds in the mountain sop, right?
Yes, but this mountain sop juice, you don't have to squeeze the seed. You can use the mountain sop alone and make a juice too, But when I use it with this,
yeah, man, that's understandable. How you use it,
yeah, I use it with the guava, and you get a nice juice same way. Even more with different potent, and value.
Yes.
Put with the mountain sop.
All right. So here what happened now? We're gonna.
And a lot of people don't know that.
That's how you use it. So we're gonna do a couple things. One, We're gonna bust it open and show everybody what is inside it, how it looks. This is a green one. This is not ripe, right?
Yes, no.
Oh, first of all, hold on, guys.
The riper one is better.
Yeah, we're gonna use the riper one. Somebody's asking, what is that in your mouth? And I'm telling them that's cayenne pepper. That's cayenne pepper. That's cayenne pepper.
Yeah.
Guy, now, he doesn't eat it like that.
No.
Well, is that the name of it, cayenne pepper, right?
Yes.
Bird pepper.
Bird pepper. You call it bird pepper.
Okay,
too.
yeah.
But we give it the name. What we give it is the cayenne pepper.
Yes. And
they have a next pepper to where they got cayenne to, but it's longer and more bigger.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
But this is my medicine.
Yes.
My cayenne pepper. I use it to my food.
Yeah.
Cook with.
Uh-huh.
And that's what I use.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
All right.
And I drink some too.
Yeah.
To clean my inside and coal and all of that.
All right. And the fireman have that too. So anyway, I thought you were gonna ask about that, guy. So that's I just put that in as a side note. So let's burst that open fire.
This.
Well, actually, let's do both.
Green. You want me to burst this?
Well, let's
burst it if you want.
Yeah, let's do both. We're gonna burst the green one and burst the ripe one. All right, so we don't normally do this. We don't normally do this, guy, but we usually do the ripe one. But we wanted to give you a perspective as well. This is the green one.
Yeah.
And this one, it looks. You said the color was a little different from Soursop.
Yes.
It's a little bit more creamier, yellowish color.
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
And it has just about the same amount of seed.
Yeah, a lot more.
More seed than Soursop.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But that's how it look.
Yeah.
This is when it's
before it's ripe.
Just before it's mature.
Yes.
All right. Good. But you can't use it before. You don't use it before.
No.
It's not like you can cook with it or so. Typically, you just the juice. You wrap it and juice it.
And you know it's good for cancer cell too.
Okay.
Mountain sop.
All right.
Even Soursop too.
Yeah, man. I know about the Soursop.
Yes.
It's very potent.
Yes.
Very potent.
Yes.
All right, good. So that's the inside of the mature one, but not ripe. Let's take a look at the ripe one, guys. Okay. So on a side note here, guys, Rastaman is telling me tell me about the leaves. So tell me about the leaves.
The leaf, you can use the leaf and drink it. Same way like the Soursop. And you get this still good for the cancer cell too.
Same values?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So how you use the leaves?
You have to dry it. Like you pick it about like 3-4 days after the full moon.
After the full moon?
Yes. And then you put it not in the sun, in a cool place. And then you draw that and sip it like a tea in the morning time. And it's
how many leaves and how many?
Like say about 4 or 5 leaves.
Per cup?
Know? Yes.
Okay.
Right.
So that would be a very strong one.
Not too strong.
Okay.
You know?
Dry. Okay. And you put
Once
it in
you put it in the cool place, don't dry it, crystallize it.
Yeah.
Put it in cool place,
Yes.
and then it stay there, and then you take it and you draw a cup of tea with that and drink it.
Like how often do you drink the tea?
You can drink it like about 3, 4, 5 times for the week or so, and then you ease off for next time. And,
how much time per day? 1 or 2?
1 time, 1 cup.
Okay.
In the
1
morning.
time. Okay.
Like you get up and you feel drowsy and you want a cup of tea.
Yeah.
You just draw 1 cup of tea like this and drink it.
In fact,
you
typically,
can put a little piece of simian leaf inside of it too, and give it a flavor.
All right.
But me now when me do this tea, me don't sweeten it. Me drink it just like that.
Just like that.
No sweetening.
All right. Cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Sometimes you don't have to have too much sweet in the system.
yeah. Less is best when it comes to sweet.
Sweetness.
All right. Good. So that's the leaves. All right. So let's go inside. Let's go around the front of the house now and check out some ripe one.
Yeah.
The mountain sop, guys. Another interesting fruit here in Jamaica land we love. All right, hold on fire. What is this? What is this fruit? What is this tree?
This one is Chinese guinea.
Oh.
Chinese guinea. You ever heard of it?
Is this the
It's beer fruit.
Is this the lychee? Not the lychee.
No man, not lychee.
It's different from the.
Yeah, see Chinese guinea is different. See, there's a tree over. All right, you see that pear tree there, and you pass it. You see the one with the white skin. That have the fruit on it right now.
The Chinese guinea.
Oh, we put it way up the top.
We're gonna have to check it out, man. We might do 2 videos here. All right, guys. So we came for mountain sop, but the fireman is introducing me to more stuff here. So let's see. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a confirmation if you want us to do that as well. So this is the Chinese guinea.
Yeah. Okay. But this is a younger.
This is a younger one. Okay. I have some interesting stuff. All right, good. So as you can see, guys, this Mr. Sir Clive here have a lot of interesting fruits and stuff going on here. This is his farm, little farm area. All kind of stuff here.
Some of it.
You have more.
Yes.
Breadfruit, June plum, cherry. That's orange over there.
Yeah, this one you call
So
it
orange.
bitter and sweet.
Bitter and sweet. Okay. Trumpet leaf here, so. Banana. Coconut.
Months ago when Corona come, everybody start run to get the bitter and sweet.
Oh,
Eat it.
really?
Yes, man, to put away the Corona.
Okay. Oh, yeah, the vitamin C.
Yes.
Okay. So you make a money off of that then, man?
Me don't make no money. Me just when I heat them too,
Okay,
and
okay.
take it go give people to, you know.
Yeah, I
And
understand.
sometimes I don't sell everything. You know?
Yeah, man, I
This
understand.
one you call it honey banana.
Honey banana.
And me just
Okay.
catch it up
Yes,
for
man.
it.
No, man, don't trouble it, man.
No,
Don't
me
trouble
just
it.
show you this.
Nice,
the
nice.
fruit of it.
Well, I tell you, we don't live some life in the country, you know, man. So nice life, you know.
You can live it, but if you put things to use to get it,
Yes,
to live
yes,
it.
yes.
Because some people don't want to grow nothing, you know. Somebody no man their hand go out to it,
Yeah.
unless them fall down.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, cool. Nice. So you go and hold him up till him ready.
Yeah, right.
All right.
And then you cut him and
Yes, man.
cut
Nice.
and eat, you know what I mean?
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
the cocoa. Cocoa.
Yes.
Cocoa here. Who remember cocoa? Who remember cocoa? Come up, drop that. Make mention that in the comments.
Well, you take it and make sip, man.
What, the
That
cocoa?
soup is sip.
The cocoa.
Cook it, yes.
Oh.
Me no eat meat, you know, right, sir.
Oh.
No farmer meat, me no eat. No flesh.
Mm.
No, sir.
Since when?
About 45 years now, me not touch no meat.
45.
Yeah, me a 75.
Oh, what say?
Me not have to say nothing to you, me I tell you.
Yeah, 75.
Yeah.
Me
ask
sir-
the doctor there, see him up there, ask him.
Yeah, go on, good man. 45 years, you know. So tell me, fire. Hold on a second. This is interesting. My people watching want to learn more about that because a lot of people want to live, want to be healthier.
Yes, but you have
How
to
do
try to
you
it
how do you
to
do
get
that, man? How do you do that? How you substitute for the meat?
For the meat, all right, me show you one sip, me show you again.
All right, this is interesting. It's an interesting tour here, guys. Interesting tour here.
Mostly.
Uh-huh.
And me have two little bees hive right there, so.
Uh-huh.
You see the bees that fly right there?
Yes, I see the bees box.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And them there's something them use for honey.
Oh.
This is bush cabbage.
Yeah.
Different from the falling cabbage. This don't fall none at all.
Yes.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
and this is what I make my food out of.
Really?
Really, regularly. See all the bud pepper tree. You see them, me not destroy them, you know.
Uh-huh.
Me have them and use them too.
Uh-huh.
You see? Me not eat no flesh,
So this is mostly what your
me
main,
eat.
the main, your meat.
Chow.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I me eat like greens,
Uh-huh.
falling cabbage too. But this cabbage don't fall. From me, they come from my old grandmother days.
Yeah.
They've been eating this cabbage.
Yeah.
It's have more protein in it.
Yeah.
More even the falling one.
Yeah.
Because the falling one is what they make
Develop
food of.
in a lab.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is real bush cabbage.
This bush.
And this you eat.
This me
And look at the man face, man. Man almost 80-year-old, man. Look. I'm firm and stern like what time
man,
it's spring.
Me work hard too, man.
Okay.
You see all the hillside there?
Yeah.
And me chop them down and feed me goat, man, and
Cool,
things
cool.
like that.
Cool. All right. Nice, man. Me proud of you, man. Proud of... Boy, I forget some of your recipe, them, you know. Come on. More live long and healthy looking like you, know.
Ready, man. I want to be your brother.
All right. All right, guys. I'm going back to the house now to take a look at the ripe mountain sop. Huh?
Custard apple.
Custard apple. Yeah.
Custard apple tree this.
All right. Cool.
Nice fruit out of
Yes, man. This one have everything.
Like soursop.
Uh-huh. All right. Cool.
This how me and my packet of juice, this, you know.
Mm-hmm.
This I make from the seed bush cabbage, Spanish eagle leaf,
Yes.
green juice,
Uh-huh.
cucumber, string bean, pumpkin seed,
Uh-huh.
and they have one bush there, so what they call name comfrey.
Uh-huh.
You know comfrey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I heard about it. I don't remember what it looked like, but
Okay, well, me show you.
you can show me.
Yeah.
So you make that green juice now,
Green juice with alright.
and you drink that.
Yes, virgin.
How often you drink that?
Regularly sometime, man. You see this too?
Uh-huh.
This is Spanish eagle.
Yeah, man, that's the Spanish eagle. Bad like yours, you know.
I put this in it. And leaf of life.
Yeah.
Jack in the bush.
Yeah.
That's all. That's what I use. I
Yeah.
make juice
Yeah.
and drink.
Yeah.
You know,
And you
clean your system.
Yeah.
Good for the colon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool. There's a cleanser.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
See the dandelion tree here. All them are part I use.
Jamaican dandelion.
Yes.
Go on, I tell you, we are- Cool. Wait, hold on. That's the flower. That's not the. You use that
the
too?
leaf.
You use the leaf too?
The leaf. And blend it out and make juice from it. Yeah.
Why how you learn about them something?
Why creation learn me things, man. Me create enough little things within myself.
Yeah.
You know?
Uh-huh.
Go about the whole of folks used to use all these things. And drink. And rabbit, you know rabbit when he eat the vanishing eagle, he jump like a brrr, and he gone like that.
I know. Spanish eagle is the rabbit food.
Yes, man, and it's good for we too.
Yeah.
See they come for what me I show you.
Yeah.
I come for 3 days.
Oh.
This
Comfrey!
Comfrey. Me use this and make juice with this too.
Cool.
You see it?
Yeah. You have a smell, right?
Not much.
Not really?
You can't smell it, but much.
Oh, no, nothing much. Okay.
You see this fruit now? This is a fruit.
Is a fruit or a...
Egg fruit.
Oh, something else.
Yes, egg fruit.
The man have everything here, man. Okay. Egg fruit.
I buy it in the market from a lady, the fruit, and then I use it, blend, make juice, and then I create a plant from the seed.
From the seed?
Yeah. And I
have
it right
cool.
there.
So you have the comfrey.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is the comfrey.
And this is the...
This one is the egg fruit.
Yeah. Guys, all right. Well, I want to pause a little bit for asking if you big up the rasta right now. Big him up right now. Give him a thumbs up. Shira come and say something to him now, man. This man full of knowledge. We haven't even finished the mountain sop. And the man is introducing us to a whole range of other amazing stuff here.
Pear tree and all of that. See, pear upon tree there. One of them time when they're ready, you can come in.
Yeah,
you can give pear too.
Pear. Somebody jealous right now, you know, man. Somebody jealous. Gungo peas.
Yeah, pear.
Yeah. All of this is totally organic, right?
Yeah, man.
There's another fruit. This one
is nestberry.
Yeah, nestberry. Okay, cool.
Papaya. I just plant some since morning.
Okay, cool.
This one is mint. This one is
black mint.
Black mint. Yeah, and this one is calic mint.
Yeah, well, I know the calic mint. I have it at home.
Right.
Okay, cool. Yeah. All right, papaya over here. Guys, the papaya tree here. You have all them little stuff here by himself, for himself. Jaja. All right, so let's
This is lemon, but it's not there.
Lemon. Okay, cool.
This
all
one
right.
is mint. You know mint? Old time mint tree.
Mint. Yeah, man. Remember the mint, the peppermint.
Right.
Nothing nice. No tea nice like this. Mint, you know. And this, guys. Remember this here? Mint, man. Mint. Smell it. I'm gonna put it here closer. There you go. This mint here, man. It smells strong.
Rice peas.
Rice peas.
You already forget peas.
Is this like the Jerusalem peas? Is the same one name?
Yeah. The
okay.
rice peas.
Cool. Fine. Okay, cool.
Sure.
All right, so we're back at the house. And we're gonna look at the ripe mountain sop. After all of that, guys, we're back at the house. So we went into the field, the farm, to show you. Yeah, to show you.
Not much, but
no, man, it's a lot. It's a lot. So somebody is impressed right now online. All right, so again, this is Clive, Rastaman Clive, and I wanted to show you the ripe mountain sop. And I'm having like a calabash. Right? This one big man.
Yes, calabash.
How you find that one here?
Bush. I may eat out of them too.
Yeah, man. Yeah, hopefully you don't eat out of that one.
This one me eat out, you know.
Fire, this is too big man. Where you going, man? I see. Are you build this?
Yes.
We use the bottom here.
We put piece of the coconut.
The coconut
outside,
okay.
And then we use glue and get it together.
Man, make him one dish.
And me one fork and
Hold on a second. Hey guys, look at this. This set the cake, man. So you have the fork and one end and the spoon.
The spoon, right. And put my name in me.
Church. Man, you bad. It's a maho. You bad like yours, man.
No, this one is ironwood.
Okay, ironwood. Okay. Man. You don't need to go to no supermarket, man.
But not too regular. Me create enough little things yourself.
Well, you need to eat a lot because you work hard. So big up yourself with that. But not try that one a little bit too big for you.
Yes, no, that one you don't make you eat too much of this, you don't go
problem, you can't move. All right, so. So we have 5 of them. 5 of them now, right?
Yes.
5 of them. All right, and.
So you see the one where we did seaweed burst. So see the inside like this one. So yellow it gets.
Yeah, hold it steady there for me for a second. So this is okay. So this is it. Good. It gets really yellow, man.
Right.
How does it taste? How does it taste for you?
You know, taste no way. It tastes nice. You want to taste it?
Are
you afraid of it?
No, man, no, I had it already, you know.
Okay.
I had it already,
okay.
but I don't quite remember.
Yeah, man.
I know it's thick.
It's fresh.
Fresh.
It's fresh. A
Okay.
little bit fresher than the sour sap.
Okay.
So
I'm still taste it, man. Give me. No problem. So you can eat it just like the sauce.
Same way like the sour sap. It's only a little different with the freshness.
All right, good. It's not as sweet as the sauce.
Right. That's it.
Okay, cool. All right, it's a little bit warm here. Even though this area is very cool, but the sun is pointing directly at us, guys. So it's not as sweet as the sauce.
It's fresh.
Yeah. But it still have that kind of sauce up taste. A little bit.
That's why I call it mountain sap.
But typically people don't.
They don't want to eat
They
it
don't
like
eat it
that
like
because
that.
it's fresh.
Yeah,
it's more fresh.
Yes.
But it's still good.
And the seeds here, as I say.
Yeah, it's a little browner than the sour sap. Direct.
But you don't use the seeds otherwise, right?
No.
At least not for now.
No.
Somebody uses it, I guarantee you though. If I hear something.
You can after a while.
All right. Excellent. All right. So.
And it's good for nerves too, you know.
Yeah. All right.
Sap.
In fact, that's what I'm going to ask you now.
The benefit.
The health benefits, as far as you know, Rasta.
Yeah.
What?
You get a lot of different benefit, even for the man. The manly wood. Yeah. It's good for it too.
Oh, stamina.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, make you stronger. And all that.
So good for that. Good for men. Stamina. What else? As far as you know.
Well, colon, clean your colon.
Clean your colon.
Same like soursop. Take cold from your system too. Yeah.
So clean you. Okay. All right. Good. So that's funny. And you. But listen. Well, actually, guys, I did a little bit research for you on it, and I'm gonna share with my viewers and yourself. I know you have this thing under lock and key. You know this stuff because actually he's actually a roots man. We're gonna talk about how you can reach him in terms of any of his root stuff, guys. This man know him stuff, you know.
Yeah, man.
This man a veteran in
the underground for 9 days.
Eh?
Cook the roots, chop them up, but I don't do them green. And then now I dry them a little. Chain the roots, strong back, saucy perilla. Chain me don't use blood whisk because I know everybody want blood whisk. Because sometimes some people have a little ailment and blood whisk can push up the pressure on them. So I don't do directly unless I want it. And me introduce it to them. But I mostly use like even guava root, but it's the red guava root that have the natural benefit from it too. And then when I boil it in my pot, and I use the young banana navel, you know the navel at the banana, the pink, the yellow part, not the yellow, the kind of burgundy, yes. And then now I use the inside of the heart and cut up that. Very nice. Even Chinese take the heart of the banana. And then I make roots from that. And burying it under the ground for 9 days. Dig it up back when you can't open it, man. If you open it, you
Alright. Why this is an experience. Alright. That's how you make your roots.
Yes.
Alright.
And then I take it to the street and people buy it.
Yes, and miracles happen. Alright, hold on right there. Don't tell me too much yet. I'm gonna share, guys. I'm gonna share a little bit about this interesting fruit here, right? So we came from Mountain Sop, another unusual fruit here. Something looking like something of a Soursop family, but we've been introduced to a myriad of other stuff thanks to Rastaman Clive. But I don't want to finish without telling you some of the health benefits because I did some background work on it, and let's share with you right now. Number one, the leaves can be used to make tea. Rastaman mentioned that earlier. And it's recommended to be consumed in the evening before retiring to bed because it has a relaxing and sedative effect that encourages sleep. So that's the leaf, similar to soursop leaf. Yes, the same kind of thing. Yeah, it's fever and headaches can also be treated with the leaves. Intestinal parasites, cough, including asthma and bronchitis, inflammation, diabetes, and hypertension have all been treated with this amazing fruit. Yes, the seeds, the bark, the leaves, and roots, among other things. That's what we are learning for you. It's antiviral, antiparasitic, anti-rheumatic, anti-inflammatory, anti-hypoglycemic activities have been discovered in many extracts around the world. It is also used to treat depression. For pregnant women, an infusion of leaves has pain relieving properties. Wow. And we're learning too that compounds found most in the bark and leaves of the mountain sop have been shown to kill cancer cells. You mentioned that earlier, Fire.
Yes.
You know what you're talking about, man. Fevers and head pain can be relieved using this plant leaves as well. And in Jamaican culture here, it believes that the fruit, when made in a drink, helps with men's stamina and vitality. What's the man telling you already? What about the culinary uses? The yellow aromatic pulp can be eaten raw in desserts, we're told, although it is mostly commonly used to make juice. Its taste is inferior to that of the soursop. We spoke about that already, and it can get a bit slimy when completely ripe, like this one here. When completely ripe, they are eaten fresh as a dessert or blended with ice cream or milk to form a drink. When the seeds are still soft, immature fruits are collected and used as a vegetable in soups and other dishes. You hear that, right, Fire? Yes, man. So that's a mountain sop. We say Jamaican mountain sop, but it's not native to Jamaica. It's native to Central America in general, so not just Jamaica and the Caribbean, right? And we've mentioned earlier that it is round typically and has a fragrant aroma. The scientific name for the scientists, experienced and aspiring scientists, the name of it, guys, is Anana montana. Anana montana, yeah. For those people who are purists in herbs, in fruits and these kind of things, that's what they're gonna research. So if you want to research it further, this weird, unusual fruit, another one, thanks to Fireman Clive, you can actually go ahead and research it. Anana montana. Fire, this is not the only thing you do. You do all kind of juice. You mentioned one of the green juice earlier.
You know this?
Yeah. Noni.
Noni.
Yes, man. Yeah.
I use noni with like pineapple and guava and make juice too. Very good.
You put it on to drain still as well.
You drain it too. You get the drain different. But for this, I use this with the fruit and blend it.
Blend it same time.
Yeah, once it's ripe, and then I juice it with my cheesecloth and strain.
Oh,
this is the stuff what I use.
Yeah, man, I see strain class, cheesecloth to call it.
Yeah, and then after me use strainer too to make it sure finer. That means.
All right, nice. I like your little production here, Yeah, I love your little production here, man. I look a pot and your little strainer and everything.
Yeah, man.
Love it. Rastaman life in the hills of Camrose.
Yeah. Really.
Camrose. All right, so yeah, man, I want to ask. So people right now, there are people out there, my viewers watching right now. I know some of you are interested right now in learning more about this man, his root stuff, his unique drinks, whether it's mountain sop, whether it's guava, whether it's soursop, whether it's noni, whatever it is, you are interested.
I use soursop juice with cane juice and I squeeze it in the skin. I don't take off the skin and throw away.
What is soursop?
The soursop.
Oh.
Once it ripe,
yeah,
I juice it with the skin and you get a nice flavor out of it and it's more stronger because you don't throw away nothing and more than the seed alone.
Well, we can't see it in you, man. Almost 80-year-old and look at you, man. Man firm and stern. All right, good. So anyway, I want people to be able to get a hold of you if they're interested. So first of all, as we said, that we were here for the mountain sop, but you do a lot more than mountain sop. If people are interested in
green juice too.
Yeah, green juice. If people are here in Jamaica, I want to reach you.
Yeah.
Where can they find you first?
I'm right on the corner of Mega Mart on the left side of the road, going into Kitchener. That's where I'm at. Every day except Saturday and Sundays.
All right, good. So if you're in Jamaica and you want to find this man to learn to buy some more of his fruits and stuff, he's right there. Catch-all, Montego Bay area, all right?
Right at the roundabout.
If somebody wants to talk to you, I want to learn some stuff from you, or I want to get some advice, or want some coaching or something, and you know what I mean? I'm more about juices, natural juices and stuff, including mountain sop. Is there a phone number they can reach you?
Yeah, my number is 791-4276.
791.
My name is Clive. Raphael Clark is
Clive. 791.
Yeah.
4276. And we're in Jamaica, guys. You add your 876 to that. And there's a WhatsApp number as well, guys. It's 876-779-3637. That's 779-3637. Number on screen, and it's also in the description below. Alright, I have a little bonus for you guys. Alright, remember I told you that Rastaman sell in town? Well, I made a impromptu visit to check him out. And what you got here now? So you're live on the job now?
Yeah.
How you have it now?
This one is, we call this Perlina. With oats, pumpkin seed and Irish mash.
Alright.
Right?
Alright,
this
good.
is one. This one is turmeric with pumpkin seed. Straight turmeric and pumpkin seed.
Oh, cool, cool.
Yeah, and the milk inside of it is peanut.
Okay,
Because
cool.
I don't use condensed milk.
Okay, okay. What that one good for?
This one is good for the prostate cancer.
Okay.
For man and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. And this one is Irish mash. With arrowroot, pumpkin seed, and you have inside of it like what we say now? Peanut.
Peanut, okay.
Same way.
Okay.
And you have like thinking to and tambourine.
Oh, you have all of that in that?
Yeah.
Oh, what that one good for?
This one is good for the manly wood.
Okay, stamina.
Right.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, but but remember though, the one that we have in mind, you know. The original
Mountain Sop.
Mountain Sop.
Alright,
yeah, man. That's
coming
what.
to you. Coming to you.
Alright, guys, get into the Mountain Sop. We have a lot in store here, you know.
Yeah.
Alright.
This one now is the Mountain Sop. You see, you have a black card, different.
Oh, you have a different cork for it?
Yes, right.
Alright, good.
This one is Mountain Sop, guava, and then you have some, we call it now, June plum in it too.
June plum?
Yes.
Oh, you mix it up?
Yes.
Alright.
Squeeze it
so
with
this
it.
is the one we're talking about, guys.
Yesterday,
and yes, this one here. And all the good benefits and the health benefits we're talking about. Right? So we're going to have a drink again, right?
Same thing, why not?
Alright. The Rastaman, make something for me. Some Mountain Sop, pumpkin seed.
And you have melon skin.
Melon skin.
Yes,
man have everything.
Good varieties for man too. With the guava.
Alright. We have a kind of slimy.
Yeah, that's what you get from the mountain.
But that's the Mountain Sop.
Yeah.
But it tastes good.
Yeah.
It tastes good.
Yeah.
Up man, big up yourself, man. Alright guys. Mountain Sop, Jamaican style. And I have another surprise here for me guys, him say. And allow me to leave without testing another one. Which one is this now?
This one is the sorrel wine.
Sorrel wine.
It's about a year and a half old.
Oh yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Sorrel, our local sorrel.
Sorrel, local Jamaican sorrel.
Okay.
Fermented.
Okay, natural.
Yes.
Natural. Alright, go on. We're getting bonus from all sides here, guys. So it's not just Mountain Sop now we're hearing all kind of stuff. Man, we have to do a part 2, man. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you think we should do a part 2. This man have so much stuff here. Give me a thumbs up or drop it in the comment right now. Alright, so this is it. Sorrel wine. Alright, nice. Let's take a drink. What? Bad man. Yes, that's a real wine, man.
Yes, sorrel wine is fermented.
And we drunk it, not true?
It might make you little sleep.
Yeah, man, it tastes like alcohol. It tastes,
yeah.
but
no, nothing like that.
No alcohol.
Straight sorrel.
Yeah.
Straight sorrel with ginger, and I'll put some ginger in it.
Quite nice. It's nice. Big up yourself again, man. Alright, bye-bye. Alright, cool. The Mountain Sop, guys, courtesy of my brethren, Clive, Rootsman, Rastaman. Here, listen, before I say anything else, I want to tell you about another intriguing video. Another fruit that I did is called the purple gourd. If you haven't watched it as yet, you definitely should. There's a link in the description and it's linked in the card above. Check it out and I'll see you there. But before you go, I need you to give us some thumbs up, man. Big up Sir Clive, and lots of learning. I learned a lot, I'm sure you did as well. So if you appreciate that, give us some thumbs up and share this video. Share with someone, man. The more the merrier. And of course, you know, I love hearing from you. What do you make of this fruit? Have you seen it? Did you know about it before? If you use it, how do you use it? Share it in the comments below. And if there's another fruit that you know of that you want me to cover, share that as well. I would love to do another interesting Jamaican fruit. See you in the next video.